Hi traders, today is 3rd of March 2020. We are now live day trading WTI Crude Oil Market, US session contract April 2020, so CLEJ. So at this moment we just received a short sell signal from my live telegram channel, so there's a link below in the description. So the first signal 47 1994 she's not filled, and now waiting for the second. I have revised the epic signal to the short sell position, so we are going to short sell at 47.48 and TP at 18 ticks of a profit targeted. Okay, so from this current situation, so we're still waiting for the big move of the market since the beginning of US session, but haven't seen any. So time now is around 9:47 a.m. in the morning New York time, Chicago time 8:47 a.m. So you can see in my platform here. So my local time is about 10:47 p.m. So almost midnight. And for now, we can see that the market try to reverse back after the London session again. And let's wait and see. So now let's take a look on the volume. In case we found any quite interesting volume happen. Alright, so time now we have another 3 minutes for the next candle. 3 to 2 minutes for much more bigger candle. Okay, price now is at 47.74. Our Q is at 47.48 and TP at 47.30, far more below here. So let's take a look on the volume. Would there be any interesting volume waiting for us on the downside? Not much. On the high side, 48.10, 176, 48.19, 166. My first signal just now, which is to buy long the position of at 47.94. So let's take a look back. So somewhere here, but it didn't go through because market just reached 493 and then not 94. So we are queuing at 94 just now before the beginning of US session. So as for now, we did receive a short sell signal. So you can see from my platform here. So the purple line is where I will queue my position to short sell the market at 47.48 and TP at 47.30, which is this green line. So let's wait and see. We'll resume back later on. So by the way, please subscribe this channel, like, share, comment below, or ask anything you like. So there's a link for live signal. Please feel free to click on it. Okay guys, I pause for a while and we'll resume later on once the order got filled. Alright traders, looks like a big jump to the downside, so we are still waiting for our entry to be filled. This moment looks good, so this is where we are waiting. So let's wait and see. Alright traders, we resume back again. So at this moment we are already in the market, and we just entered the market at 47.48. So the target is at 47.30. So let's wait patiently. Alright, so far looks good. We are about 4 ticks, or the lowest just now is 40, which is mean we already 8 ticks below our entry. So it looks good, and I'm hoping for the market to burst further down in a quick, because this is epic signal. So based from my epic signal strategy, it should be a quick one. We go in fast and we go out fast. So as for now, still waiting. Now the price on the negative side, minus 2 ticks is not much. For the lows just now is plus 8 ticks. It was a good one. Maybe you guys who follow my signal live may exit just now, because if you are trading more lot position size, so it will be a good result. So as for now, let's take a look on the volume. Market become more volatile at this moment. Okay, still waiting at 47.30. Other than that, there's not much. Okay, 47.00, very high volume, 139, but there is common price level shouldn't be taken into effect in our current analysis. Okay, let's take a look on the higher side. Oh, also none, much more less. 48.19, it's very ambitious one. 48.10. Okay, we are not sure whether the market will go further up or further down, but based from my epic signal, we don't chase for the market direction. We just take a look when the setup appear. So this is specifically designed for US session trading, scalping. So as for now, okay, let's see 40 ticks. It was a quick one, so the lowest is plus 8 ticks, so $80 instead of now. So let's wait and see patiently. Hopefully things will get still think now price is plus 4 ticks, plus 5 ticks, plus 6 ticks, $60. You can see over here, this is the profit. Now it's $80. I think the lowest now is 90, so should be a good one. Hopefully we really hope that the market will further down in a fast speed. But it looks good at this moment. $80, $60. So we are in the market a few minutes ago, I guess, a few minutes ago. So this one is 1 minute. We just enter the market around 4 minutes and a half. That's what we are expected at this moment. So let's wait for this candle to close red. So in case it close red, so it will be give us more opportunity to earn the profit target of 47.30 down here at this green line. So by the way guys, there's link below in the description. Feel free to click on it. Might be helpful for you guys or might be not, but this is how I do day trading every day for US session. There's also a full of video in my playlist in YouTube channel, so just go and you can take a look. Okay, now it's not good because the candle previously is a blue one, and now we can see that the market try to reverse back. So we are far below the pivot line, which is not good. In case of the price reverse back to the higher side, then we have more problem than the solution. Okay, now is we are plus 4 ticks. So I will pause this video and resume later on once the market stabilize. Alright guys, we are still waiting for this trade to hit the TP targeted area, because there is unexpected price move against our movement. So profit now is plus 100, hit the TP area. Lucky one, then the price spike down. Okay, so let's take a look on. So it was a good $180 in profit. So but it didn't put a stop loss over there, but the price keep remain to the downside, so it was a good one. It's a good trade, $180. So by the way guys, thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. Thank you, bye bye.